Welcome back, viewers. You're watching The Savera, and I'm Shefali. Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla, an Indian Air Force officer and the first Indian astronaut to live and work abroad the International Space Station (ISS), is scheduled to return to Earth after successfully completing an 18-day mission as part of Axiom Space's fourth private spaceflight, AX-4. Now, his journey marks a historic moment for India, showcasing the nation's growing participation in global human spaceflight endeavors. Shukla, along with three international astronauts, veteran NASA commander Peggy Whitson, European Space Agency astronaut Swela Skos, and from Poland and Hungary's Tibor Kapu, launched abroad a SpaceX Dragon spacecraft. Now, the mission aboard the ISS, operated in partnership with NASA and Axiom Space, was aimed at advancing scientific research, fostering international collaboration, and expanding private access to low Earth orbit. The Dragon spacecraft is set to undock from the ISS at 4:30 p.m. today, with the return capsules expected to splash down in the Pacific Ocean near the California coast around 3 p.m. IST, that's tomorrow. After undocking, the spacecraft will follow a careful coordination deorbit and descent sequence before landing in the designated recovery zone. Now, during the 18-day stay aboard the ISS, Shukla took part in a variety of scientific investigations ranging from life sciences to material research, many of which were developed in collaboration with Indian academic institutes and research bodies. The mission is reported to have brought back over 580 pounds, around 260 kilograms, of cargo, including crucial experiment data, hardware, and the biological samples. Now, these contributions are expected to enhance scientific understanding across fields such as human psychology in space, microbial behavior, and microgravity manufacturing processes. In addition to his scientific work, Shukla was actively engaged in educational outreach from space, communicating with students across India and delivering motivational messages to encourage youth to pursue careers in space technology and space exploration. In an emotional farewell video message from orbit, Shukla expressed profound gratitude towards ISRO, Axiom Space, NASA, and SpaceX for making this journey possible. Reflecting on his experience, he described the mission as an incredible journey and highlighted the pride he felt while representing India in space. Gazing down at Earth, Shukla shared his thoughts about his homeland, saying, "Today's Indias look ambitious from space. Today's Indias look brave, confident, and full of pride. Because of all these, I can say once again that today's India still look better than the whole world." Now, following his return, Shukla will undergo a rehabilitation program designed to help astronauts readjust to Earth's gravity. Now, this process typically lasts several days and involve physical therapy, medical evaluations, and reconditioning to recover from the effects of extended exposure to microgravity.
I would agree with what TB said, that these missions have much far-reaching implications beyond science, and that is what I believe that this mission would also do in all of our respective countries as well. Going back from here, I carry with me a lot of memories and the learnings out of this mission that I would try and spread back. But the one thing that really sticks to me is what humanity is capable of when all of us come together from different parts of the world and work for a common goal or a common objective. It is truly incredible. So thank you everyone, and it has been an incredible mission for me.
Shukla's successful mission is not only a personal achievement but also a symbolic leap forward for India's space ambitions. It signals the space readiness to take on more prominent roles in international human space missions, especially as ISRO prepares for its indigenous astronaut program under the upcoming Gaganyaan mission. As the nation awaits his return, Shubhanshu Shukla's accomplishment has already captured the imagination of millions, igniting national pride and inspired a new generation to look up to the stars and believe that India's place among them is not just a dream, but a growing reality. That's all for now on this update. Stay tuned to The Savera, download the app and follow us on various social media platforms.